Hello there. Welcome to Introductory Accounting Info. Today we want to look at a question paper of November 2022, and we are going to look at question 3 on that question paper. And that question requires us to prepare the cash payments journal, cash receipts journal. We also have the petty cash journal, and finally we have to prepare the general ledger in terms of the petty cash. So this is what we have. The question reads: the following transactions occurred in the books of Jacobs Electronics Kitchen Appliances during the month of July 2019. On the required parts, the question reads: enter the transactions in the cash receipts journal, cash payments journal, and the petty cash journal. Close off only the petty cash journal at the end of July 2019 and post to the general ledger account. Then on the additional information, we are given money is deposited on 2, 9, 4, 14, 16, and 31 July 2019. Then the owner decided to use the Impress system. On the transactions, we got July 2019. So the first transaction that we have here, so the transactions are now following. So what we are going to do is we are going to look at each and every transaction and identify which journal is being affected, and then we post to the journal. So we're going to start with the first one, which is an amount of 1,600 was given to the chief cashier is petty cash advance. Check number 001 was issued. So which journal is being affected is the question there. So it says that this money is being paid to the petty cash, to the chief cashier. So what does it mean? It means this is a payment that is being made. So this is going to affect the cash payments journal, cash payments journal. So we are going to the cash payments journal and enter this 1,600. So we come here. We go to the cash payment journal. So this is our cash payments journal. So on the document, we are going to write 001. We are going to put 001 is our first document. 001. And then on the day, we are also going to put our one there. So then on details, we are going to write cash. On details, we are going to write our cash. Then we don't have our portfolio details. Then the amount that we have is 1,600, which is going to come here is 1,600. So for every transaction, we are going to see if that transaction is under purchases, petty cash, or fuel. If it's not under these three, that is purchases, petty cash, and fuel, we are going to put it in the sundry accounts section here. So this is what we are going to do. So we see that we have got a cash of 1,600. So it fits under the column for petty cash. So we're going to put it here 1,600. So this is what we have. Then we can go back to check what's the next transactions that we have. So the next item is item 2, and it reads both ions, induction oven, and microwaves for 176,000 rands from LG suppliers. Check number 002. I received a discount of 2,400 rands from LG suppliers for stock bought. Receipt number 20. So this is what we have. So like we are saying, we have to identify which journal is being affected here. You see that with this one, 176,000, it's a payment. So this one is going to go to the cash payments journal. Then we also have another amount, which is 2,400, which is a discount there, which is going to be our discount income, obviously. Is going to go to the cash receipts journal. So this one now goes to the cash receipts journal. So we have got two amounts that we have there. Then so we can start with the one that is going to the cash receipts journal, 2,400, and enter it in the cash receipts journal. So if come here, remember we have got the document number is 20, and it's the day is 2. Then on the details, remember it's LG suppliers. LG suppliers, and the amount that we have there is 2,400. So we are going to put it under analysis of receipts there. And obviously, this money we are going to receive it through bank. So we also put it in the bank column. And then this description does not fit for sales and trade receivables. So if it does not fit for sales and trade receivables, it means we are going to put it in the sundry accounts section. So we can go to the sundry accounts section here, and the amount that we have there is 2,400. And then the description is discount income. Remember, we are receiving, so it's discount income. So this is what we have in terms of this discount. Then we can go back there. We've got another figure there on the same transaction. So we've got 176,000 that we have here. So we are going to go to the cash payments journal and enter this 176,000. So we are now on our cash payments journal, and on the document we have got 002, and then this is day 2, and then on the details, remember it's LG suppliers. LG suppliers. And then the amount that we have there that we are going to put in the column for bank is 176,000. And then you will see that this is this description that we have for this amount is for purchases, remember, from LG suppliers. So we are going to put it in the section of column of purchases. So this is what we have. So if you put it under one of these columns, which is purchases, petty cash and fuel, it means we are no longer going to post it under sundry accounts. So this is what we have in terms of 2. So we can go and see what we have next there. So the next item is that paid water and electricity, which is 13,270 rands to Kokon municipality. Check number 003 was issued. So what is important is we are paying there, then the amount is 13,270. So what does it mean? It means also this is a payment that is being made. So obviously it goes with cash payments journal again. So we are going to the cash payments journal, and we can take note of the document number, which is check number 003 that we are having there. And the day here is day 3 in terms of the other details that we are going to input there. So we can go there and just enter that one on cash payments journal. So the document number there is 003, and we have this is day 3. Then on the payee is Kokon municipality. Kokon municipality. Then folio, we don't have any information for that. Then the amount that we have is 13,270. And remember, this is payment for water, electricity, and this doesn't fit in purchases, petty cash, or fuel. So it means we are going to post it under sundry accounts. So we are going to put it here, 18,270. And on the details, we know that we are paying water and electricity, so it's water and electricity. So the description that we are going to put in this column is represent the payee. So we can just maybe try to specify in terms of what is going to be entered in this column. There, we're going to write the payee, the one that is being paid. So the payee here in this case is Kokon municipality. Here it was LG suppliers. So this is what we have in the first one. We wrote cash because we are paying the petty cash, the petty cashier. So this is what we have. So then we can go to the next item and see what do we have. So the next item, we are now on item 4. We are now on item 4, which means we are here, item 4. And it reads both stems from Pack and Pay, 89 rands, petty cash voucher number 41. So we have got a petty cash voucher, which is number 41. So what does it mean there? It means our 89 rands. So we have to identify which donor is being affected there. Now we know that it's what is the petty cash, is the petty cash donor. So this is what we have. Then the amount is 89, the document number 41, 41 year, and that we know that now it's day 4. So you can go there and enter that one. Enter the description of the payment. It's stamps. The description, we have stamps there. So basically stamps, it means that this is a postage expense. This is a postage expense. So this is what we have. So here, on the description, we have just write postage. So this is what we have. So we go to the payments, to the petty cash journal, and see what we have. So this is our petty cash journal. This is our petty cash journal. So it means that on the document number, remember, it's document number 41. And remember, it's day 4. On the details are their stamps. They are stamps. And then the amount we have 89. Then we can check if this amount is fitting in sundry expenses drawings. It's not fitting. So we're going to put it under sundry. So it's 89. And then on the description, we know that this is posted. So this is what we have in terms of item 4. We can go on and check what we have next. So the next one now, we are now on 5. 5 leads are received 2,490 from Ladies Kitchen Appliances for commission. For commission, let's try to see what the sentence is saying there. For commission on kettles sold, receipt number 21. Receipt number 21. So we are receiving there 2,490. 2,490. So it means this is going to affect our cash receipts journal. Cash receipts journal. This the keyword that we have there is received, so it means that we are receiving something there. So we put it under cash receipts journal, and the amount there is 2,490. The amount is 2,490, and let's take note of the document number which we have there is number 21. Then the day is 5. The day is 5. Then we can go there to the cash receipts journal and enter that one. So this is our cash receipts journal. Remember, the document number is 21. Then the day is 5. Then on details, we are going to write on the Ladies Kitchen Appliances. Ladies Kitchen Appliances. Then on the amount, we have 2,490. Then we check if this amount is going to fit under sales, trade receivables. We see that it's not fitting there, so it goes to the sundry section. So we can go to the sundry section there and see, put it there, which is 2,490. So it's coming to the sundry. So it means here we've got 2,490. Then on the description, remember it's commission income. Commission income. I think you can go back there to check to confirm that description. Right. We are here. It reads commission here. Appliances for commission. For commission on kettles. So it's commission income. So this is what we have in terms of this item 5. Then you go to 6. Bought and delivered from Chevrolet dealers and paid 775,000 rands by check number 004. Document number, date, and then the amount is here. And then here we are buying. So what does it mean? This is a payment, obviously, of 575,000. So this one is cash payments journal. So you go to the cash payment journal and input those figures. And what are we paying for? What are we paying for? We are paying for vehicles. What a delivery van. So it's a vehicle. That's the one that we are paying for. And the person that we are paying, is the payee, is Chevrolet dealers. Chevrolet dealers is the payee. So This is what we have. So we go to our cash payment journal. So this is our cash payment journal. So it means there on our cash payment journal we have got in terms of document, it's document number 004, document number 004. So you have 004, and then on the day it's day 6, and then we know that the payee is Chevrolet dealers, Chevrolet dealers. And then the amount that we have there is 275,000. And we see that if it fits under pages, education fuel doesn't fit there, so it comes here under country, 575,000. And we know that this payment is for vehicles. So on the description there on details, vehicles. Then we go and see what we have next in terms of 7. So on 7, I saying paid Sasso petrol station 1,230 for fuel. Check number 005 was issued. This is the payment again. This is the payment again. So it means that this is cash payment journal again. The payee is Sasso petrol station. The amount is 1,230, and this is for fuel. And the check number, document number 005. The date is 7. So we can just go there and enter that. So here we are now saying, in terms of document number 005, the day is 7, the payee is Sasso petrol station. Sasso petrol station. And the amount there is 1,230. And we are seeing that this is fuel, so it fits in this column, which is 1,210. So fuel, the column for fuel. So we're not going to put it under country, we only put it under fuel. So this is what we have. And then we can go and check what we have in terms of the next item, which is now could be the next one. We are now on 8. We are now on 8 there. So pay DNA 165 rands for cartridge 30 case voucher number 42. So another payment that we have there for 165, but it's for petty cash. It's for petty cash. So it's going to go to the petty cash journal. So we can just take note of the items that we have there in terms of the document number 42, day 8, amount 165. The amount that we have there is 165. And also, we should take note that this is stationary. We are paying for cartridge. So cartridge is part of stationary. So also we are going to give all details as sundry, so as stationary. So you can just go and post that one on the petty cash journal. So this is our petty cash journal. So what we have there, we have our document is 42, and then it's on day 8, and this payment was for cartridge, and then the amount was 165, and then you'd see that this payment does not fit on sundry drawings. They're going to put it under sundry accounts there. It's 165. And then on details, we state that it's stationary. So this is what we have in terms of this payment of cartridge. You can go and check what we have next now. So we are here now. The next one now, we are looking at the card payment of cartridge here, which is 8. Now we're on 9. 9 here. Cash sales according to the total of cash register row 76,165. So this is the cash receipts now because we are selling, so it means we are receiving. So this is what we have. So we can go there and just enter that one. And these are sales, cash sales. So we can go there and check what we have. So this is our cash receipt donor. So remember, these are our sales, cash sales that has taken place. So all the document number are not given there, but we know that this is the cash register row. So we can just abbreviate here as CRR on the document. And then the day obviously is 9. Then remember, these are sales here. Then on the amount there, we have 76,165, 165. And this same amount is going to come under bank there, 165. And also it represents sales. So we are also going to put it here. So this is what we have in terms of our sales, cash sales that has taken place. Then we can go and check what we have next. So here now, after cash sales, we are going to change what flowers from flowers for all, which is 69 rands, 30 cash voucher number 53. So this is obviously going to be 30 cash donor. So remember the amount is 69. And, the amount is 69. We are paying for flowers. Very important to take note there. These are flowers. And basically, this is going to, we are going to classify it under sundry expenses, obviously. Under sundry expenses, so we can go there to the petty cash. So this is our petty cash journal. So on document, we've got 43. And we have got day 10 here. Then on details, we know that these are flowers. The amount that we have there is 69. And we are saying we are classifying it under sundry expenses. So this is what we have. We can go and check what we have next in terms of the transactions that we have there. So now we are on day 11. We drew 1,485 for petty cash, check number 006. We drew 1,485 for petty cash, check which is check number 006. So what does it mean? It means that we are going to enter this in the petty, or in the cash payment journal. Because this we are paying money there to the petty cash. So this is cash payments journal. So on the cash payment journal, we are going to enter our 1,485 on day 11, check document number 006 there. So this is what we are going to do there on the cash payments journal. So we can go there and enter that one. We can go there and enter that one. So we can just create some space there so that we enter that one. We are on we have document number 006, and this is on day 11. 006, and this is on day 11. And then this is cash. This is cash. And the amount that we have there is 1,485. And it's going to the petty cash, and the column for petty cash is this one. So we see 1,485. Then that's what we have. Then we go to the next one to check what we have. Right. Then we go to the next one, which is for the owner, Jacob, said it will invest 325,000 in the business is his capital. Is his capital contribution receipt number 2022. 325. So this is money that is being received, so it's going to the cash receipt donor. And the amount is 325, date of document number 22. And we know that this is being received by the owner, who is Jacob. So we are going to write Jacob's on details, and we'll see on other entries that we are supposed to do there. So we are here in terms of the document number there, we have 22, and then it's date of, and this is being received from the owner, Jacob, and the total amount is 325. And you see that there's no column that this one fits there, because we have got sales and trade receivables, so it doesn't fit there. So we are going to put it under sundry. We are going to put it under sundry there on the other part there, where we have sundry here. So it's going to come in these columns, and then our amount that we have, obviously 325, and this is capital, money introduced by the owner of the business. It's capital. So this is what we have there. Then we can as well go and check on what we have next now. Right, here we have the owner, so we go to the next one, which is 18. 18 reads cash sales according to the total of the cash register row, 192,300. Cash sales according to the total of the cash register row, 192,300. So this is also sales, so we are going to receive money there, so it's going to affect the cash received donor again. So here we are saying cash received donor, and the amount is 192,300. Day 13 there, and this is the cash register row in terms of the documents, and they are sales. Very important to take note. Cash sales, which means that they're also going to go through the bank. So this is what we have. We can go there to cash received donor and enter that one again. So this is, so we are here. This is our cash receipts donor. So we are saying this is for the document. We've got the section for the document, the column there that we have for documents. So we can go there and put that document. Remember, we are saying this is the cash register row. So we have CRR there for cash register row for document number. Then on the day, we have got day 14. And we know that these are sales. And then the amount is 192,300. And this one, obviously, we are saying is passing through the bank again, and they are sales. So this is the entry that we have there. So we can go to the next. So we are on this one. So we are now here. Received bread makers, food processors, electric and gas stoves for 465,000. For 465,000 there. Runs then from the 5 suppliers issued check number 007. So what do we have? We have document number 007, amount 465,800. And what is being affected there is obviously 465,800. This is a payment. Since we are buying, we are receiving these things, but we bought them. So cash payments donor. Here we've got cash payments donor. And then in terms of description, remember the payee is the 5 suppliers. The column for payee, document number 007. So we can go ahead and put that one. And these are purchases. These are purchases. So we are going to put it in the column for purchases. So we go there. We go and put that one in the cash payments donor. So this is our cash payment donor. So what we are saying is we have our document number there, which is 007. And then we do know that our day is 18. Then our payee is the 5 suppliers. And then our total amount is 465,800. And we are saying these are purchases. So this is the column for purchases, 465,800 that we have there. Then we can go back to check what we have next. So after this one, now we go to this one. The owner Jacob decided to increase his capital by 10% of his previous contribution. Receipt number 23. So this is our document number. This is our day 16. And this is money that is being received. This is money that is being received. Remember, is the owner who is contributing. So it's going to be cash receipts now. It's going to be cash receipts now. And on details, we are going to write Jacobs. And we know that this is capital, so it's going to go under sundry accounts. And the amount now, no, we are not giving, we just told that's 10% of the previous. So we go back to check which was the previous contribution. The previous contribution was here, 325,000 here. So it's 10% of 325,000. So what are you saying? We are saying 10 over 100, which is 10% times 325,000 over 1. And obviously, the answer that we are going to get there is 32,500. So this is the figure that we are going to put there on cash receipts donor. So we can go back there to check what the cash receipts donor and put that one. So these are our cash receipts journal. So we are saying this date there that we have is 2023. And so this is the document number 23, then the day 16. Then obviously we are receiving from Jacobs, the owner. And then the amount we are calculating is 2,500. And we are saying this money is also passing through the bank. So we are going to put it here, 32,500. Even this one, 325,000, passed through the bank. So we are supposed to put it again under a bank here. So we go now to the sundry section there and put it there. Go now to the sundry section. We are saying it's 32,500 in this capital. So this is what we have. So we can go back to check what we have next. So next now we have 17. Next we have 17. So on 17 it reads an amount of 479 rands was given to the chief cashier. Check number 008 was issued. So this is also amount given to the cashier, and whenever we give money to the cashier, it becomes it falls under the cash payment journal. So what we have there is we have our amount is 479. This is on day 17, document number 008. So this is what we have. And obviously, we are just going to do the same that we did there on pay, just write cash, and I'm going to go under petty cash. So we go there. So we are here. We are saying document it's 008 and here 17 and it's cash. Let's just check the dates there. It's 17. The amount of yes, we are having 17 there. So on the payee, we write cash since it's going to be paid cash. Then the amount that we have there is 479. And we are saying it's under petty cash, and the column for petty cash is this one. The column for petty cash is this one. We have this one is our column for petty cash. Let's try to see the petty cash is this one, 1,485. So it means this one is in the wrong. This one is in the wrong column, which is we are supposed to put it here is 1,485. So what we are saying is this amount was supposed to be here. So this one is supposed to come in 479. This one is our petty cash. If we check there from the beginning, there we see that the column for petty cash is there in the middle here. So that's where we are supposed to put that one. So that's what we have there. So next we are going to here on 18 paid 827 rands to staff fix for repairs to the owner's personal vehicle, petty cash voucher number 44. So this is what we have there, petty cash voucher number 44. So on the amount, we have got 827, amount we have got 827 rands. Then we know that the day is 18, document number 44. And this is a payment. This is a payment, so it means what does it mean? Paid either to suffix for repairs for the owner's personal vehicle, petty cash. So it's going to the petty cash journal. Because there is for petty cash, with petty cash journal here. So this is what we have. So we are just going to enter those details there. And these all the details, repairs of owner's vehicle. But these repairs are for drawings because they are for personal vehicle. So everything that is paid for personal use by the owner becomes a drawing. So we have got a column for drawings there on the petty cash journal that we're going to put that one. So we can go to the petty cash journal, petty cash journal, and put these ones. So petty cash is down there. So this is our petty cash journal. So we are going to put them here. So what we are going to do is on the document, on the document there, we have got 44. Then obviously the day is 18. And these are repairs of owner's vehicle. So we can just write here, repairs of owner's vehicle. Repairs of owner's vehicle, and the amount there is 827. And we've got a column for drawings here. So we are going to put it here as our drawings, 827. Then you can go and check the next one. We have our 20 there, cash sales according to the total of the cash register row. We also have cash sales, so it means we are going to the cash receipt journal. We have got the day 20, amount 21,170. Then on document number, we are going to put the triple R, sorry, or the CRR, which is the cash register row. Then this is what we have. And these are cash sales. You can take note of that. They are cash sales. So we go back there to the cash receipt journal. Remember, this one is the petty cash. So we go to the cash receipts journal. So this is what we have in terms of cash receipts journal. We're going to put it here. So what are we saying? We are saying on document number. On document number there. Let's try to see what we have there on document. On document number, I said it's cash register, also CRR. And then on the dates are there. We have 20. And then all the details are, remember, they are sales. And then the amount is 121,170. And these are cash sales, so they're not passing through the bank. We are just put under sales here, 121,170. So this is what we have. So we can go and check the next transaction. So this is the next transaction that we have now. It's on 21. And it reads paid 800 rands to SDI accounting services for accounting fees by check number 009. So the amount there is 800. And the payee is SGI accounting. SGI accounting is the payee. And we'll see that this is going to go to the sundry account because it doesn't fit under purchases column, petty cash, and fuel. So we can just go and summarize that one. And then the document number 009, very important. So we can go there and input those descriptions. So here is the payment journal. So what we are saying is documents on documents there. We are going to put, let's try to see there 009. Then on the date is 21. Then payee is SGI accounting. Then the amount is 800. And then this is going to the sundry. And the sundry section is here. So the amount that we have there for sundry is 800. Then all the descriptions that we have there, remember these are the columns that we have there for the sundry section. We've got the payment there, 800. So we are saying payment here, then we write the details there in terms of that payment. And remember, these are accounting. These are accounting fees. So we are just summarizing there that are accounting fees. So this is what we have in terms of the this entry under the cash payment journal. So we can go there and see what we have next. Then we have got on 23 purchase of equipment to the value of 37,545 from Mokeo's check number 00010 was issued. 37,445. This is office equipment, and obviously it's going to the sundry accounts and write the details of office equipment. The amount is 37,545, check number 010, and the date is 23. So we can just go there again on the cash payment journal and summarize that one. So we are here, we are saying on the document, there we have 010, and then the day is 23. The day there is 23. And then the description of the payee, let's just maybe confirm there in terms of the actual name. Payee that we are using there is Mokeos. From Mokeos. So we are going to write that one. So here we have Mokeos. And then the amount that we have is 37,545. This is what we have. And we are saying this should go under sundry because it doesn't fit under purchases, petty cash, or fuel. So we have 37,545. In the description there, we are saying is what is office equipment. Office equipment. So here we are saying the actual figure there is 37,545. And this one we're saying is office equipment. So this is there. And we can as well go and check on the next entry. Right, we are now on 24. 24 reads Drew check number 0114 183 in favor of Russell Hobbs for waffle makers and ions. So this is again payments because we are withdrawing, so it means we are paying Russell Hobbs. Russell Hobbs becomes the payee. And document number 011 J24. And this is going to go under purchases. It's going to go under purchases. Go under purchases. So we go there and enter those ones. Document is 011 J24. And then pay is Russell Hobbs. Russell Hobbs. And then the amount is 183,965. And this is our purchases. So this is what we have. Then we can go and check the next one again. So we are now on 25. So on 25, it reads received a check of 4,541 from Nathan Eteta in settlement of his account. Receipt number 24 was issued. So obviously we are receiving. So it's going to the cash receipts journal. Cash receipts journal. So here, cash receipts journal. Amount of 4,541, date 25, document number 24. And what are we saying about this figure? We are paying it to Nathan. Details. And then these are trade receivables. So we've got a column for trade receivables that we have there. So this is the one that we are going to use. So this is the cash receipts journal. So we are saying here for document is 24, and then date 25, and then this is Nathan. On the amount 4,541. And remember, we have a column for trade receivables that we have there. You see that this is our column for trade receivables. So this one, 4,541 is going to come here. 4,541. So this is what we have. Then we can go and check what we have next. So on 27, paid MTN 1,710 rands for the owner's mobile phone account. Check number 012 was issued. This is a payment that was made. So it's going to the cash payment journal 1,710, and then the payee is MTN. The amount 1,710, date 27, document number 012. So we go to the cash payment journal. So we are here. So what we are saying is on documents, we have 012, and then we have date 27, and then we have cash. We've got paying the payee is MTN. The amount is 1,710, and then obviously this is goes under sundry. Then the description in terms of this one, let's just go and verify. The description is that the owner's mobile phone. So this is a personal use. So it's their drawings. They are drawings. So the details there we write drawings. Drawings. So this is what we have on the details part. Then go and look at the next one that we have. So this one is the last one. So we go to the next, which is 28. The owner Jacob took 940 rands to buy his wife a birthday present. Watcher number 45. This is personal use, buying birthday present. It becomes personal use. So what are we saying? Okay. This is personal use. The owner is taking money to buy his wife a birthday present. Birthday present. We've got our day 28, document number 45, and then the amount is 940, and these are drawings of 940. So we can go there on the other section and summarize that on payment journal. We are here, we are still here. So what are we saying? We are saying um, document number, we are saying 45, and then we've got 28, the only date, and then this is money for Jacobs, and then the amount is 940, and these are drawings here. We are also putting our 940 here for drawings. So this is what we have, and then we can go back and check what we have next. Then I've got Kendros and matches from SPA 1,250 cash voucher. So this is a cash, petty cash journal. So date 29, amount 129, and then these are Kendros and matches that we have there. So what does it mean? The amount is we are having an amount of 129. So we are just going to write on details, Kendros and matches, and then it's going to go under sundry expenses. Going to go under our sundry expenses, so we can just go there and summarize that on page cash. This is our receipts journal, so we can go to our page cash journal. This is our page cash now journal. Here. So what I'm saying, we are saying this is 46 in terms of the document number, 46, and the day is 29. And we are saying they are Kendros, and matches. And then the amount that we have there is 129. And we are saying these are sundry. So this is column that we have for sundry. And then we can as well go and see what we have there. We can as well go and see what we have there. Right. The next item that we have. So we are now on 30. It is an amount of 67,850 rand was donated to Look Orphanage. Check number issued. Got a check number that is there that we want to check there. Check number 46 there. Check number 46 there. So this is our document number 46, and then our date. Check number. Sorry, check number is here, which is 18. 18. Check number is 18, and then the date is 30. Amount 67,840, and then the money is coming from Look Orphanage. So we are donating, so we are paying to Look Orphanage. So this is a payment to Look Orphanage. So this is what we so pay is Look Orphanage that we are having there. Then we can go and just summarize that on the payments. We are here, so we are saying our document is I think 013. 013. The date there is at 30. And the payee, remember, we're saying Look Orphanage. And then the amount is 67,850. And then this is a donation, so it's going to go under sundry accounts. There, we are going to put our 67,850. And then obviously on the description now, in terms of the details there, we are going to write donation expense. Donation expense. Then we can now check on the next one. Right. On the next one, you are now on 31. It reads an amount of 7,925 was directly deposited in the business current account by Candice, a tenant, receipt number 25. So this is money that has been received, 7,925. So what does it mean? It means we are going to put it in the cash receipts journal. Cash receipts journal. Then you can take note of the details in terms of the document number 25 and date there 31. And then we also notice that this is going to go under sundry account because it's rent income. The rent income goes under sundry account, which is 7,905. So we go to the cash receipts journal. Go to the cash receipts journal. And this is our cash receipts journal. So what we are going to do there, we can just summarize in terms of what the details, document number 25. And then we have got date 31. Then this money, all the details we are going to write Candice. And then the amount is 7,925. And remember, we're saying rent income, so it's going to go under sundry account. So you've got 7,000. Let's just see 7,925. So it's going to come there. 7,925 here. And we are saying it's rent income. Then you can just go there and check what we have next. Right. We have received a check of 4,541 from Nathan Data. Then we entered this one, and then now we are on the last part, which is here. We are now entering. Let's try to see what we have there. So the last item is that the petty cashier received an amount from the chief cashier to restore the interest system. We know what is restoring interest system is the money that has been used is the money that is going to be replaced, and that is the aspect of restoring the interest system. So this is what we have in terms of the entries that we are supposed to do in terms of these journals. So what we are supposed to do next, we are just going to add the total that we have for the petty cash journal. The total that we are having on the petty cash journal, we can just add so that we see what total do we have there. So if you add the column for petty cash journal, this is our petty cash journal. Petty cash journal. So we are going to add the section that we have for total there. We add 89 plus 165 plus 69 plus 827 plus 129. 129 plus 827 plus 69 plus 165 plus 89. And the answer that we are supposed to get there is 1,279. 1,279. So this is the figure that is going to go to the credit side of the petty cash in the ledger. Remember, we've got the ledger that we need to prepare. It's going to go to the credit side of the ledger is 1,279, representing all the payments that were done in the petty cash. And then the money received for petty cash, we are going to put all the monies on the debit side. On the debit side of the petty cash account. Then we see the balance that we are going to get there. So now we want to go and see all the cash payments journal, the amount that we are given to the petty cash, to the petty cashier. So what it means now, what we are having under petty cash in cash payment journal here are the ones that are going to go to the debit side of the petty cash account in the ledger. And then that's how we are going to enter it. And we see now, then we balance the petty cash later. So this is what we according to what we wanted to cover in this video. According to the cash payment journal, we also have the cash receipt journal and the petty cash journal. Hopefully, this video was very helpful. We'll meet again in the next video. Those who haven't subscribed, please subscribe and share. We are still coming to more videos that might assist us for our exams. So, as for this video, I'm signing out. Come on.